Hi students, welcome to our maths class, and today in class 10th we are going to discuss equations reducible to pair of linear equations. So we had already discussed all the methods of solution of pair of linear equation. I hope you understand and solve the questions based on them. Many questions I had already solved here, so please try to solve. And today topic is equations reducible to pair of linear equations. Equations reducible to pair of linear equation. Pair of linear equation. What is the meaning of equations reducible to pair of linear equation? Maybe sometimes equations are given in such a manner that they are not looking like a pair of linear equation, but after some substitution we get it as a pair of linear equation. Suppose 1 upon x plus y plus 1 upon x minus y is equal to supposed to be 2. Similarly 2 upon x plus y minus 3 upon x minus y, this is equals to 5. Supposed to be this is the equation, okay, but this is not looking like a pair of linear equations, so we substitute. Let 1 upon x plus y, this is nothing but u, and 1 upon x minus y, this is supposed to be v. Then above equations reduced, u plus v is equals to 2 and 2u minus v, this is equals to 5. And now you are able to solve for x and u and v, okay, and afterwards you replace the value of u and v, we will get the value of x and y. So please note it down, then after we shall discuss some questions based on this particular equations reducible to pair of linear equation. Okay, so note it down. Okay, we shall see some questions from the exercise 3.6, which is based on equations reducible to pair of linear equation. Okay, so let us see. Supposed to be question number 1, we have to see from exercise 3.6. okay, supposed to be question number 1, exercise 3.6. 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2, and 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equals to 13 by 6. These are two equations. They are not actually pair of linear equation, but these are the equations reducible to pair of linear equation. Suppose, if we suppose, let 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to b, suppose, okay, then this becomes 1 upon 2u plus 1 upon 3v, because 1 upon x is u, 1 upon y is v, this is equal to 2. Similarly 1 upon 3u, this is equal to 13 by 6. Okay, this is equation number 1 star, and this is supposed to be equation number 2 star. Now we can take LCM and solve it from first star. If we see, we have 3 to the 6, so 3u plus 2v is equal to 2, and this is implies 3u plus 2v, this is 12. This is equation number 3 supposed to be, okay, clear? Similarly we can solve this also, so please note it down. I'm just going to erase upside. Now see here, if you see 6 is LCM and this is nothing but 2u plus 3v, and this is 13 by 6 cancelled out, 2u plus 3v, this is 13, question number 4. And now I hope you are able to solve 4 and 3. Okay, so please try to understand question number 3 and 4 we have to solve, and then after we replace the value of u and v. So let us see. If you see 3 and 2, and if we want to solve it by elimination method, so equation number 3 multiplied by 2 minus 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 we have. If you multiply 2 in 3, this is 6. 2 in 3, okay? So 6u plus 2 to the 4v is equal to 24, and similarly 6u plus 9v, this is 39, and now subtract it, we will get minus 5v, this is equal to 51 minus 15, so v is nothing but 3. From this equation we find the value of u. So any one equation you can suppose 3, so 3u plus 2v, 12, so v is equal to 3, so 3u plus 2 into 3 is equal to 12, and this implies 3u is equal to 12 minus 6, so u is equal to 2 only. So what is the value? What are the value of u and v? V is 3 and u is 2, and afterwards we replace the values. Okay, so please note it down by pausing the video. Please pause the video and note it down. Now see, u is equal to 2, and you already suppose 1 upon x is equal to u, so 2, so x is equals to 1 by 2. Similarly, v is equal to 3, that is 1 upon y is equal to 3, so y is equal to 1 upon 3. So these are the values of x and y. Okay, so please note it down, and then after we see next question. Okay, I hope you completed this one. Now see question number 8. Question number 8, this is also important. Rest of them you can solve. I have already sent PDF. So question number 8. Question number 8 from this only. Question number exercise 3.6, first part, question number 8. Question number first, 8th part. Okay, so 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equals to 3 by 4, and 1 upon 2 times 3x plus y plus minus 1 upon 3 times 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Okay, now 1 upon 2 only, this is. Okay, now see how to solve this question. Let 1 upon 3x plus y, this is supposed to be u. 1 upon 3x minus y, this is supposed to be v. Maybe it is visible. Okay, 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to v. So above equations reduced, u plus v, this is 3 by 4, and 1 upon 2u plus minus 1 upon 2v, this is minus 1 upon 8. If 1 by 2 is common, then u minus v, this is minus 1 upon 8. So So u minus v is nothing but minus 1 upon 4. Supposed to be this is equation number 3, this is equation number 4, and this is 1 and this is 2. Okay, so please note it down, and then after we solve for u and v, and then replace the values of u and v, and we will get the solution. Okay, so please note it down. Okay, I hope you completed. Now see the question number 3 and 4 we have to write here. So 3 is nothing but u plus v 3 by 4 and u minus v minus 1 by 4. Now add it. 2u is equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. This is 2 by 4, 2u. So 2u is equal to 1 by 2, and this implies u is equal to 1 by 4. So value of u is what? 1 by 4. Okay? And then putting this value of u in any one of the equation, you will get the value of v. So u plus v is equal to 3 by 4. So u is 1 by 4 plus v is equal to 3 by 4. So v is nothing but 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So v is nothing but 2 by 4, and this is nothing but v 1 by 2. So u is 1 by 4 and v is 1 by 2. Okay, so note it down, and then after we replace the values. Okay, whenever you note the question, please pause the video. Many times I said you, because I just going to erase it. Okay, if you pause the video, simply you note it down. Okay, now u is 1 by 4. Okay, u is 1 by 4 and v is 1 by 2. So u is what? 1 upon 3x plus y. This is 1 upon 4. So 3x plus y is nothing but 4. Equation number supposed to be 5. And 1 upon v is 1 by 2. So v is 1 by 2. So v is 1 upon 3x minus y. This is, and simply u is what? 1 by 4. So after replacing the value of u, we'll get the 3x plus y is equal to 4. Simply 1 by 2. So 3x minus y is equal to 2. Equation number 6. And if you solve 5 and 6, you will get the value of x and y. So I'm just going to solve equation number 5 and 6. So 5 is 3x plus y is equals to 4. Okay. And 3x minus y is equal to 2. Now you add it, you will get 6x is equals to 6. So x is equal to 1. And if you write this value in any one of the equations, so 3x minus y is equal to 2. So 3 into 1 minus y is equal to 2. So y will be also 1, because y is 3 minus 2. So what is the equation values of x and y? X is also 1 and y is also 1. So this is the solution for that particular question. And afterwards we see next question. So please note it down. Okay, I hope you completed this one also. Now see question number 7. That means question number 7th part. Okay. Question number 7th part we have to see. 10 upon x plus y. Question number 7. Question number 7th part. This is 10 upon x plus y, 10 upon x plus y, plus 2 upon x minus y, and this is equals to 4, and 15 upon x plus y, minus 5 upon x minus y, and this is equals to minus of 2. Equation number 1, equation number Okay, this is also an easy question. So solve it. How will we solve? Please see. Let x 1 upon x plus y is equal to u and 1 upon x minus y is equal to v. Okay, clear? So this becomes 10 upon 10 u plus 2v is equal to 4. And if you see, this is 2 is common, so 5u plus v, this is equal to 4. 2 to cancel, so 5u plus v is equal to 2, equation number 3. Similarly, this is nothing but 15u minus 5v is equal to minus 2, and if we take common 5, 3u minus v, this is minus 2, and this implies 3u minus v is equals to minus 2 by 5, equation number 4. Okay, now we solve equation number 3 and 4 for u and v, and then replace the value of u and v, we will get the value of x and y. So I hope you completed this one. I'm just going to erase it. Okay, now see, uh, 5u plus v, this is nothing but 2, and 3u minus v, this is nothing but minus 2 by 5. Now add it 8u to 2 minus 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 5 minus 10, 10 minus 2, 8 by 5, okay? 5 2s are 10 minus 2 upon 8 by 5, 8u. So u is nothing but, if it cancel, u is nothing but 1 upon 5. Okay, now putting the value of u in any one of the equation, you will get the value of x. Okay, so what is the equation? 3u minus v is equal to 5u plus v is equal to 2. So u is 1 by 5 plus v is equal to 2. 1 plus v is equal to 2. So v is nothing but 1. So we get the value of u and v. Now replace the value of u and v by x plus 1 upon x plus y and 1 upon x minus y. We will get, as you know, u is equals to 1 by 5 and v is equals to 1. So after replacing, u is equals to 1 by 5. That means 1 upon x plus y, this is 1 upon 5. So x plus y is equals to 5, equation number 1. Sorry, whatever it is, 3, 4, 5 maybe. Similarly, v is equal to 1, that is 1 upon x minus y is equals to 1. So x minus y is equal to also 1, equation number 6. Now x plus y is equals to 5 and x minus y is equals to 1. Now you solve, this is 2x is equal to 6. So this implies x is equal to 3. Okay. Now it's so simple. Putting the value of x in any one of the equation, you will get, supposed to be x plus y is equal to 5. So x plus x is 3 plus y is equal to 5. So y is equals to 2. So these are the value of x and y. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Okay, note it down. Okay, so I hope you understand this lecture, and this is the last lecture for pair of linear equation in 2 variables. So please try to complete it, and also we make a video for the assignment and project. Maybe it is uploaded on 14th and in class 10th, and you must complete that particular project and assignment, or you can say it is homework also for your summer holidays. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please stay safe, stay home, and whatever the homework is given, you have to complete it. Okay, so thank you very much.